Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today we have a cheap versus expensive car detailing products video, and we're talking about interior detailers. So two competitors. The first one is Adams Polish's interior detailer with microban technology. So again, quick interior detailers are meant for lightly dirty or lightly dusty interiors. You basically want to give them that OEM factory look without a disgusting greasy film or greasy effect. You want to add a bit of UV protection if possible and have them capable of being used on different surfaces. And the second product is the Lithium Inner Space quick detailer. So this is the second competitor. I'm lucky today because you guys requested that he comes back. I have my brother Andy with me. So he will be using these two products on his own vehicle that was in for a maintenance wash today, so on his Mazda CX-5. And we're gonna pick a winner based on price, value, scent, performance, the overall look that it finishes, the ease of use, and that kind of stuff. So you know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. But of course, before we go ahead and do so, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, so you can continue to learn more about car detailing, so all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. And also, I'll leave the links to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. By the way, these two products, well, I ordered myself, so this is not a sponsored video. I really want to test cheap versus expensive. So the two competitors in the cheap category, so at the moment of this filming, the Adams Interior Detailer is $11.04 USD, so US dollars. This one here promises that it has the microban technology, so it has UV protection, and the microban means that it has antimicrobial properties as well. So it will lightly clean, of course, disinfect the interior also, but leave a protection behind antimicrobial effect for the coming days and weeks after you've covered your surfaces with this. You can use this pretty much on all the interior surfaces, including infotainment screens, your leather, vinyl, rubber, all that kind of stuff, door trims, dash, you name it. So for light dusting duties or very light cleaning duties, but more importantly, when your vehicle is well maintained, it's to give it that OEM factory look. So in the other corner, the expensive corner, is the Lithium Inner Space at $24.99 USD. This is another, by the way, both of these products are fantastic. I'm going to let my brother decide in the end which one he preferred and why. So let's turn the camera over to Andy and have him start the demo.
Hey guys, super excited to be back on my brother's channel. Today I was in for a maintenance wash where we filmed a bunch of videos on different products. Please go ahead and check those out. My brother also asked me to give you my overall impression on two different interior detailers. First up, we have Adams Polishes, and let's go ahead and give it a try. So first I would say it smells like Bailey's. I'm pretty sure it's not it, but what's the right scent, Pan?
The scent is actually on the label in the front.
Okay, so we have sweet almond scent. Guys, not Bailey's obviously, but please know there's different scents that are available. The description will be down below, so you can go ahead and check those out as well. First, what I can say that I automatically notice is that it doesn't leave an oily residue, like a shiny residue, which I personally don't like. I like when it gives like a natural look to the plastics itself. So definitely nice. There you go, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, absolutely no oily residue. Super, super, very nice finished look. Easy to apply. Yeah, let's go ahead and check the second one out now. Hey guys, so now we have the second runner-up, which is Lithium Inner Space, which is again the interior detailer. I'm using a brand new dry microfiber towel for the second test as well. So let's go ahead and give this one a try. I would say that this one smells a little bit like Nivea hand cream, like a facial cream, like a moisturizer. Pan, is that close to the truth?
The company actually says that it's supposed to be like juicy fruit bubblegum scent. Does that make sense?
Okay, it does. It can make a little bit of sense, yes.
Which one do you think smells the best?
Personally, the one that smells the best, I would say the one from Adam's Polishes.
Right.
So let's take a look at this one. What I'm noticing right off the bat with this one is it seems to dry a lot faster than the one from Adam's Polishes. It'll give you the same type of look, which I love, which is the natural look, not oily residue, which I believe even my brother doesn't like. I'll leave him to confirm that.
Yeah, I like OEM factory matte finishes, non-greasy, non-oily.
Yeah, definitely agree with that. And look at this, guys. Like, this is beautiful. Wonderful finish. Even on the piano black, I don't know if my brother can do a nice close-up here. Look at the finish on that. It looks super, guys. And there you go. So final thoughts, guys, between both products. I must say that although the Adam's Polishes gives you a wonderful finish, that OEM look that I love, that my brother loves, but I must say that the Lithium Inner Space is my winner for this challenge. And the reason for it, two reasons mainly: it flashes quicker, and also a little bit easier to apply than the Adam's Polishes. But in the end, both products are amazing. And we'll give you that awesome look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like my brother says, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and we'll see you on the next one.